Have you ever just stopped and wondered, how are you even a thing? I mean, really think about it. How does the incredible, complex order that is you exist in a universe that is, by its very nature, constantly trying to fall apart? Well, the answer is hiding in plain sight in the amazing world of bioenergetics. Right? The universe is on a one-way trip to total chaos. Everything, and I mean everything, when left to its own devices just gets messy. And yet here you are, a walking, talking, thinking masterpiece of pure order. This isn't just some philosophical question. This is a direct challenge to the fundamental laws of physics. So, to solve this incredible puzzle, we've got to start with the rulebook. Turns out there are two non-negotiable laws that govern all the energy in the entire universe. And life? Well, life is an absolute master at playing by these rules. Okay, rule number 1, the law of conservation. You can think of it like this. The universe has a fixed energy budget. You can't make new energy and you can't get rid of it. All you can do is change its form. Like how that sandwich you ate for lunch is now literally powering your brain to understand what I'm saying. Now for rule number 2, and this is where our mystery gets really juicy. Every time energy changes hands, the universe gets a tiny bit more disorganized. Scientists have a great word for this, entropy, and it's always, always increasing. It's the reason your headphones magically tangle themselves in your pocket, and why a hot coffee always goes cold. The universe is on a one-way street to messiness. Which brings us to the crucial point, right? If the entire universe is always sliding towards disorder, how on earth does a single cell, let alone an entire person, build and maintain its incredible, intricate structure? How does life create these perfect little pockets of order? It seems to completely fly in the face of physics. So how does life pull off this incredible magic trick? Well, the answer isn't some loophole in the laws of physics. It's a molecule. A tiny, brilliant little molecule that is the unsung hero of literally all life on Earth. Let me introduce you to life's ultimate energy solution. Meet ATP. That's short for adenosine triphosphate. If a cell's economy runs on energy, then ATP is its universal currency. Seriously, think of it as the dollar bill of the cell. It's a small, convenient packet of energy that can be spent anywhere at any time to get all the important work done. And this energy currency works exactly like a rechargeable battery. A fully charged ATP molecule is like a tiny, loaded spring, just waiting to pop and release its energy. When a cell needs to do something, like contract a muscle or fire off a nerve impulse, it spends the ATP. And when it does, the molecule becomes the discharged version, called ADP. But here's the cool part. The energy from the food you eat is the charger. It's constantly plugging that ADP back in and turning it into high-energy ATP, millions and millions of times a second. And the sheer scale of this whole operation is, well, it's just mind-boggling. Get this. Every single day, the average adult recycles about 50 kilograms of ATP. That is not a typo. You churn through your own body weight in this single energy molecule every 24 hours. It is a non-stop, high-speed energy factory powering your every thought, your every move, your every heartbeat. So, our cells have an energy currency. Awesome. But how do they actually spend it wisely? I mean, how do they power all the really tough uphill jobs that life demands? This is where things get really, really clever. Let's think of it this way. In your cells, some chemical reactions are downhill. They happen on their own, releasing energy as they go. But other reactions, the ones that build all the complex stuff that makes you you, those are uphill. They need a serious energy boost just to get started. So how does the cell power those difficult uphill climbs? It uses this absolutely beautiful strategy called energy coupling. The cell takes the energy that's released from one of those easy downhill reactions and immediately uses it to give a push to an uphill one. It literally links the two of them together. Here's a great way to picture it. Imagine a powerful waterfall. All that falling water, that's a spontaneous energy-releasing process. By itself, it just makes a splash. But if you're clever and you stick a water wheel and a mill in its path, you can harness that downhill flow to do the really hard uphill work of grinding grain. And that is exactly what ATP does. The breakdown of ATP into ADP is the cell's waterfall. It's this incredibly powerful energy-releasing reaction. The cell then cleverly couples this reaction to all the cellular mills that need power, building proteins, pumping things across membranes, making your muscles contract. ATP is the physical link that makes the whole Rube Goldberg machine of life actually work. So let's bring it all home. How does all of this solve our central paradox? How can life, this beautiful island of order, possibly exist in a universe that's hell-bent on creating chaos? The answer is just so elegant. Life doesn't ignore the laws of physics. It doesn't find some secret loophole that nobody else knows about. No, instead, it exploits the rules with an incredible, mind-blowing sophistication. Life has mastered the laws of thermodynamics. Okay, here's the big secret. A cell is a masterpiece of order, for sure, but it is not a closed system. For all the order it creates inside itself, it's constantly paying what you could call an entropy tax to the universe. See, every single one of those millions of energy transfers isn't perfectly efficient. A little bit of energy is always lost as heat, and that heat escapes into the surroundings, making the molecules out there jiggle around just a little bit more chaotically. So a cell creates its own little pocket of order, but only by exporting a larger amount of disorder to the rest of the universe. So what's the big takeaway here? The universe is on this relentless march towards chaos, towards entropy. But life, using the ingenious rechargeable battery of ATP and the clever trick of energy coupling, builds these incredible temporary islands of order. And it does all of this while playing perfectly by the universe's rules, paying its entropy tax with every single beat of your heart. You are a masterpiece of order, sculpted from the very chaos you defy. And that leaves you with one final thought to chew on. The cell is an absolutely astonishingly efficient and sustainable energy manager, a system that's been fine-tuned over billions of years. As we face our own energy challenges on a global scale, you have to wonder, what can we learn from life's most ancient and most successful strategy?